It's the first day of spring. We get it a day before everybody else because we're a bit special. Um, until now, over these cold, chilly months, we've had everything that needs to be out, um, wintering over under trees and behind buildings and staying alive, basically. I've got all these avocados here that need to go in pots and get out into the sunshine. But yeah, first day of spring reminded me of something that I've got when I get warm sunshine. Let me take you up on the roof behind me because I want to show you something. Now, why do I have a rubbish bin on the roof? If it's not being used as a rubbish bin, what could it possibly be for? Up there. It's got pipes into it. There's a clue. It's in the sunshine. Let's get up there and see what this conglomeration of pipes does. Now, so that I can show you how well this thing works, I'm going to take the battery case cover off the Califont. That means the Califont can't ignite. And I'm going to turn on the tap on warm. And I'm going to scuttle up onto the roof in a big hurry. And I'm going to show you the temperature difference of the water in and the water out on this device. So, water in 11 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius. Water out 19 degrees Celsius. What magic could that rubbish bin contain that can raise the temperature by 10 degrees? It costs next to nothing to make and costs nothing at all to run. Water in 9 degrees. Water out 19 degrees. 40 metres of black irrigation tubing. That's 2 rolls. A few connectors and that's all I needed. It's essentially a solar oven. Makes the world of difference. It preheats the water before it gets to the Califont, meaning that the Califont doesn't have to work so hard. So I save heaps of gas. How do I know it's saving me heaps of gas? Well, there's this big black spider that weaves huge webs near the gas bottle, and I'm a little scared to go there. So I haven't changed gas bottles in something like a full year. This is the corner that I never venture into.